Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's been almost 3 weeks since I put the seed down on my front lawn. This is going to be part 2 of my renovation project, and I'm going to show you that footage now. Hopefully, you guys enjoy the footage. I want to do a better video on it, but life happens, and I kind of rushed through it and did my best. But I'm going to try to put some text on the video on what I was actually doing. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate all that stuff, guys. Thank you for watching, and let's get going with the video. stop the video to kind of let you know some of the mistakes that I made. When it comes to, seeding the lawn, seed to soil contact is crucial. So it was one of the things, that I made, a big no-no on, but, it was late. I think I ran out of daylight and stuff like that. So I was kind of doing everything, rushing. And what I did was, on some parts of the lawn that was very, very thick, I did not run my Greenworks dethacher to kind of get, all the way down to the bare soil. So that was my big mistake, and it cost me about a week, which I'm not really happy about. But just make sure, guys, that you have seed to soil contact. Besides watering, I think seed to soil contact is very, very crucial. So just keep that in mind if you guys are doing a renovation or something like that. Um, don't be like me. That was a mistake that I did, but I kind of, I went along and fixed it. And it took about another 5 to 6 days for the seed to germinate. But I kind of wish, that I, did a better job at first, but, it happens. So, yeah, seed to soil contact, guys. Remember that.